Okay, in today's update about Jasmy Coin, we are going to check out this move on the upside, and I'm going to tell you what is the good, the bad, and also the ugly news in here, and what should we do right around the current area. Should we go long in here? Should we be optimistic? Or maybe we should be a bit careful. So with all that said, hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a great time with your family and loved ones. And let's first talk about the good news. Let's go on weekly time frame. Okay, what do we have in here? As you can see, a decent green candle, and in the last, what is it? Let's actually measure it. Let's just take this one, starting from this point to about here. As you can see, in the last 12 days, we didn't really have a green candlestick. So if we manage to hold these prices by the end of the week, that could be an optimistic news. Also, as you can see, if I just zoom in more, okay. In this candlestick, the body of it is completely covering the body of the previous candlestick, and this is a green one. So if you like candlestick patterns, this is a beautiful bullish engulfing. Now, again, the requirement for this pattern to be a bullish engulfing is that we should close the candle above this level around, let's say, 1.1 cents. So if we get it, great. We can interpret that as an optimistic sign. Now, let's go on H1 time frame, and okay, so you see, if you want to argue that we're going to have our final low around this area, let's say this is like a very important support. Okay, off of the lowest low in here, you need to be able to identify a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. This specific case is a normal 5 wave. Rules for it are we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of 5 wave. Wave 3 right in here should not be the smallest wave. This is a big no in Elliott waves. And for our sub waves, let's change the colors. Okay, we must be able to find 5 wave up into wave 1, 3, and 5. There we go. And for wave 2 and 4, we can have many different scenarios. Let's say sure WXY into 4, and yeah, ABC structure into wave 2. And by the way, I would like to apologize for my voice. I have been extremely sick in the last 48 hours, and it has only been a couple of hours since I got some sort of energy back. So bear with me a bit. This is very important. You see, in Jasmy Coin, off of the lowest low in here, I am actually able to tell you this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, probably 5 wave up to about this point, and not the highest high in here. Followed by that, I believe we are having an ABC structure in form of, you know what, an expanded flat. And since this move down was actually quite strong, I think this does kind of confirm having an expanded flat starting from this point. And if you want to be bullish in Jasmy, this might be a bit of an optimistic sign for you, because you can argue this is 1, this is 2, and what's gonna happen next if this scenario is in play? We're gonna have a big move up into wave 3, 4, 5, indicating the final low is already in. So these were optimistic signs in Jasmy Coin's price chart. Now let's talk about the bad news in here. Well, you see, when we were around these areas in the previous update, the idea was that we got a break of this important daily time frame support, and makes sense for Jasmy to continue the move down in order to reach to about the next important support, which is all the way down here. And this is a cluster of support areas from monthly, daily, weekly time frame at the same time between 0.0046 to about 0.0075. And did we reach to about here or not? As you can see, we definitely didn't get there. So for me, the message in here is that I need to be a bit careful, because there is a chance that we may see a move on the downside soon. Now, the ugly news is that, well, okay, we did get a break of this level, and this move on the upside might very well be just a simple pullback to this broken level. And if this is the case, what's going to happen? Unfortunately, we may see another strong move down in order to take this low and finally reach to this level. And if we do that, okay, from here, I'm looking for some optimistic signs to show up, meaning having an impulse and then a corrective movement down. And okay, fair enough. Right in here, if I see the correct structures, I'm going to be extremely optimistic. But for now, sure, we are having optimistic signs. However, I think we need to be a bit patient and also a bit careful, because this might be just a simple trap and you may see a very strong move down. Now, how can we be sure about this structure being a trap? Well, you see, there is no certainty in any market. We are only talking about the probabilities. But if we see something like this in Jasmy Coin, maybe another move up, and then I would say a relatively strong move on the downside, that can be a very, very bad sign, especially if in this phase down, we take this low right in here about, let's say, 0.0095. Why is that? You see, let's say, okay, we are going to be 100% optimistic in Jasmy Coin, and we're going to call this thing our final low. Okay, in that case, I think the best scenario that we can come up with is this. This is 5 wave up into a wave 1, correction for wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5, which on a higher degree, you know it, it's going to be into a wave 3, and then correction for 4, another move up into wave 5, and so on and so forth. Now, if this scenario is happening, okay, even according to this thing, we're going to have a move down in the short term. It's just the fact that before we have that move down, we may see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another move on the upside into wave 5, and followed by that, we can get some sort of a correction. And this is the key. If this bullish scenario is happening under any kind of circumstances, we shouldn't take this important low down here about, let's say, 0.0095. Now, what if we do get a move down and we do take that low? Well, you see, assuming that we're going to have one more move up and then a move down, okay, at that point, I'm going to be able to tell you, you know what, this is an impulse up. This is also another 5 wave on the upside. And well, maybe this is going to be, instead of a bullish setup, just a simple ABC zigzag on the upside and not a 5 wave, indicating that we're going to continue our move down in order to take this low as well. And maybe reach to about, at least I would say, the higher band of this region, about 0.0076. This is why taking this low from my point of view is so important. Now, what if we get our move down from the current point and we do something like this, and maybe even we take this low in this phase? At that point, the picture for me is going to get a bit complicated. Why is that? Because I do kind of see the argument of having starting from here, or maybe this point, not really important, an A, B, C in form of an expanded flat, which into our C leg, not only we are allowed to have an impulse down, we are also allowed to take the low of our A leg right in here. That's why I'm telling you right now, if we see another move up in Jasmy, at that point, we are kind of going to be confident about this structure being an impulse. And then from here, we do not want to see a move down in order to take this low. This is the key, okay? Pay attention. One way or the other, I do believe in Jasmy, we are going to have a move on the downside. But whether that move is going to be a 100% bearish sign or not, that is still up for debates. So let's have our final conclusion and wrap up today's video. In terms of classic TA in Jasmy Coin, we are under this important level from daily time frame, and from my point of view, makes sense to get some sort of a rejection or maybe at least a reaction from it. Now, before we get our full reaction, if we see another move up and then we get a move down and take this low, that's actually going to be a very bad sign, indicating this move down is going to continue, and this was just a simple trap, an ABC on the upside and not an impulse, suggesting probably the bottom in Jasmy unfortunately is not in yet, and we need to be a bit careful and look for some more downward price action. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Jasmy Coin's price chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.